Where is it more?
Actually, it's 40. Is that all she went? And a bottle of champagne.
Did you steal her present? Well, you told me that you bought her something, but you bought it. You ended up taking it.
That was my. Isn't that what everyone did at Secret Santa? It was my barbecue with dust spray. Oh, I love that. I love
If I'm
dust.
doing this, you should.
You buy me a little bit.
I'll buy you right now.
Please don't buy her a little.
So I'll buy you right now. Don't you buy me.
Don't. Yeah. Really? Don't.
What is happening?
She chucked it in the bag and put it in the
You're the
She
other.
just left it in the bag. And then apparently it moved into her room.
That's such a lie.
I'll buy you right now. You buy me next to Deal?
I love the cover. Chat. I want the gander. It's white straps. And then it's like a fish. And then it says like gander with a little flower.
I think we all know what that is. I don't think like what's going on with you? Oh, I thought it was chocolate. It's popcorn.
Get the order.
Oh, it's chocolate. Oh, popcorn's going to be out. I thought it
You
was
can eat it.
lost.
You can see.
You've got.
You got medicine. What'd you have for breakfast? You love wheat bix.
I don't like it.
I like it. I love it.
I don't like this.
Really?
No! Wait, I don't think that's remain. No, it remains a secret. I think so. I tried learning it. It's supposed to be free. I work
You're all that
yesterday.
conversation.
I work. It's a shit that everyone's right next to me on the registers, and Molly tunes in. And I was talking to Molly in gibberish, and she probably thinks I'm so weird.
Wear that outfit tomorrow.
I was like, what? How do I know?
And wear a tennis hat. Wear a tennis hat over it. And I'll give you a tennis ball.
Natalie. Oh, yeah, 4 syllables. Tanagar, Tanagar, Tanagi, Adagar. Tanagar, Wadagar, Madagar, 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 Yeah. Methody. Madagar, Madagar.
I was trying to think of anything with her, like, just like that. I think that was for me, Natalie.
No. What?
Yeah.
How'd you understand?
Like, look at her.
It's not that hard, mate. Should've got,
Shut up, Bugs.
I'm a guy made I said Stuart.
You literally did.
I didn't.
You said to understand.
I said
My
Stuart.
name's Natalie.
Had a guy made a years got a guy.
Where's I was looking in the classroom at me today.
That was so
Stains.
weird, Mom. Last my first day at Cornwall, Stuart comes past my classroom, and I don't think he could see it like that. We could see him through the window because he was on the glass like that, looking at me. And I was like, that is so awkward.
You should have gone right up to the
She stuck my hair. She stuck my
What's awkward everywhere? I had a guy, I had a guy, Polygon, wait, Polygon.
put a button on.
You're not gonna eat it?
Okay, it's coming. Alligator fish.
What can you eat
Or
it?
go over here.
Do you want me to put it back in your bag? You know later.
Should've got the
Natalie. Wait, what's her name? Is it Natalie?
This train will stop at Waterfall.
I got message.
Just like